guys, hope you guys are doing good. Oof. Sweat, a bit of sweat. It's really hot. Let me turn on my AC. I'm heading out right now. Today is meeting day. Like, I have 2 meetings today. First meeting, quite exciting, is I'm going to check out the place that I intend to use for a day with Alma and Ngur. So they gave me a time to come today and check out the place properly, and you know, just run over the details and finalize and all of that. So I'm so excited, and yes, you guys will come along with me so you can see what the space looks like. It's still going to be decorated, so I believe that even though it looks so cute, it will look even cuter when it has been decorated nicely. So yes, that is meeting number 1. Meeting number 2, I'm going to be hosting a red carpet event on Saturday, a 40th birthday, and there'll be a red carpet. So I've been asked to co-host the red carpets. Yeah, I'm excited for that. I mean, I'm very much open to a lot more hosting gigs this year. Multiple streams of income, right? So that's what we're all about this year. So yeah, if it's something I'm good at doing, then why not? So that's 2 meetings today. It's just past 1 p.m. My meeting is for 1. I'm still here. Jesus, I woke up this morning and I started watching movies instead of getting ready to go out. But anyway, that's that. Let's get going, guys. I'm late. Let's get going. All right, guys, so we just got here. Look at Her Royal Highness Uncle. Look at this cute space. Oh my god. Wow. See our space, so you guys. Hey. Okay, all right. Wow. I love it already. I love it. Wow, guys. So nice. Okay. It's a vibe. I love it. Yeah.
So small. Like, I actually did this whole space myself.
Yourself, right? Wow, it's beautiful. I love it. It's like exactly the vibe I wanted for, you know, for the event.
Okay.
Exactly the vibe.
Awesome.
It's outdoor, but it's not outdoor. Like, I love that. Oh, so nice, guys. Yay! I'm excited. This is the inner cafe. Very cute.
Definitely do something for sure.
What is it?
You asking.
Is that good? I don't get that. In terms of I don't know what you guys are.
Oh my god!
That's why I was happy. That made her settle my dad, but then over time I keep seeing this thing in the relationship with me. In prayers,
Yeah.
in everything.
In prayers number 1.
Man, that's no place for her husband.
Uh-huh.
Like, can you think it? He has done a lot of things that are so wrong.
Yes, tell us about it.
Any lady in this
In this generation will not take. Yeah, usually it's the children.
So let me tell you something.
It wasn't a woman saying this, it was actually a guy. You understand? I don't want them to feel like, oh, you know what? I sacrificed I chose my happiness over the So everything is about sacrifice, compromise. Like, everybody starts to think like.
Would you say that one thing going wrong with this generation is that they are not sacrificing enough? Or
I would say they're not sacrificing enough. I just feel like the definition of happiness keeps changing because everybody thinks that once you get this, you'll be super happy, and then they find out that it doesn't give them that eternal happiness that they thought they would get from it. Added like materialistic meaning to what you feel like.
Instagram.
So,
Instagram, man.
Like,
Instagram will kill relationships and marriages.
Talk about so many things that go on, and then guess what? The algorithm is manipulated to now make you start thinking that those are the things that you need for yourself. I could talk about, oh my god, I want to be pregnant, I want to be, engaged, and then guess what? I'm seeing a lot of pregnant women on my feed.
Yeah.
Engagement rings on my feed, and I'm like, Now I'm super sad because I'm not talking to anybody, or I'm not dating anybody, or I'm dating somebody and he's not really talking about
marriage.
So now I'm forced to make him think, oh, so what's up?
Paul was acting, guys. He said it. He just said it now that he was acting.
It wasn't real.
It was not real. You guys have been castigating this poor young man. Eh? It was all acting, guys. Guys, I'm finally out of the venue we're going to be using for a day with Alma and Ngur. I actually stayed here longer than I was hoping. This is literally almost 5 p.m. I've been here since like 1:30. But you guys saw that I had so much fun. I had good company. I met some amazing people today. I met Paul from Blue Therapy. You guys saw him and his good vibes, okay? All of that thing was just acting, okay? Scripted acting. His good vibes. And I was so glad I met him today. So we spent the last couple of hours just getting to know each other, talking about all manners of stuff and everything. Then you guys also saw Nate. Nate is a videographer, a cinematographer based here in Abuja. And it was nice to meet him in person. I think I saw his proposal. He just proposed to his girlfriend like last week. So when he walked in, I'm like, I know you. Where do I know you from? Obviously it was Instagram. So it was just good meeting these people and just having a very great conversation with them. It was a very, very, very productive afternoon. My other meeting is supposed to be happening I don't know, in a couple of minutes, but she hasn't reached out to me yet to let me know where exactly I'm meeting her at. But in the meantime, I need to go and get a few things. I'm going to get my mom's foundation and powder. Yes, I'm the one who does that for her. I buy her foundation and her powder from a particular store every single time she runs out of them. That's my work. So let me head there, and then hopefully when I'm done, I will get a call from my next client. So yeah. Hey guys, hope you guys are doing good. It's the next day. Today is what now? Friday, yeah, today is Friday, and I finally had my meeting with my girl whose husband is turning 40, rather has turned 40, but the party is tomorrow. It's a big birthday party, guys. A birthday party of 650 guests. It's a lot. So I'm going to be hosting the red carpet tomorrow. I'm super excited for that. I'm literally just outside BB Artistry where I came to pick up my dress for the event tomorrow. So yeah, I just picked up my dress from BB Artistry. I'm excited. The event is tomorrow, starts at 6 p.m. I'm even thinking, instead of wearing a wig, I wanted to like wear this wig, obviously straightened and everything, because I've been wearing it a lot, so it has lost shape a bit. But I'm thinking of wearing this wig, but it's a long sleeve dress. You know, it's a red carpet, it's a black tie event, so the dress is flowy and cute and everything. But I'm thinking that I don't want any hair on my body or my back or anywhere. So I am legit thinking of going to, you know, the salon tomorrow morning to get my hair done. That's my short hair, to recut my hair because it's been a while, and to restyle it, relax it and everything. So I'm thinking I may do that just so that I'm free tomorrow. I don't want hair in my face disturbing me, you know, and all that. I just want to just be free. So I'm thinking that I may go and get my cut, my pixie cut done properly tomorrow morning. Thankfully event starts at 6. I should be there for 5 because I'm a host, but yeah, I'm thinking of doing that honestly, because wig life tomorrow I feel like it's going to disturb me a lot. So I will just go short tomorrow for the event. Yeah, so that's the plan. I'm excited about this. I just sat with her and she was giving me the entire gist of what this party is going to be like, and the artists that are lined up to perform, the artists that are coming to perform for this party. It's mad, it's crazy, but it's going to be, yeah, a really big event. So Yeah, anyway, that's that. I picked up my outfit. It fits nicely. My girl Blessing always coming through for me, BB Artistry. So that's it. My day is done. I'm just going to head back towards home right now. I'm going to meet Mia Rose in my parents' house because hubby dropped them there while he was going out. So yeah, I'll just head over and see Momsy. My mom had a surgery, guys. She had a surgery yesterday, an eye surgery. No, what am I saying yesterday? This morning. She had an eye surgery this morning. So I'm going to see her, know how she's doing, but she's fine. Nothing to worry about. No panicking, nothing. She's okay, she's fine, thank God. So let me head towards home now. I will see and speak to you guys later.
So since I came back,
Mommy,
because they said 4 o'clock, 4 p.m. Remove this one, remove the.
So you had this one on before?
Yes, I had this.
Like an eye patch?
Yes, like this after the surgery. It was like this. It was like this.
Are you serious?
And they, it was like this.
Yeah. Oh, Mom. So you now have to wear that glasses?
After cleaning it,
to protect your eyes from the lights. For how long are you supposed to wear this?
Listen to do's and don'ts now.
Do's and don'ts on top of this surgery.
On top of this surgery.
Wow.
You will not watch TV for 1 week.
What? Wait, what?
You will not watch TV for 1 week. You will not drive for 2 weeks. You will not read for 2 weeks. I was looking at the lady, I was laughing. I said, read.
What you do every day?
I'm director admin.
You will not read for 2 weeks.
You will not read for 2 weeks. You will not drive for 2 weeks. Now when having your bath, water will not touch your face. You just use face towels.
To wipe.
Water. Wipe your face or use white. Water will not touch your face for 2 weeks. You will not go to the salon. I said what?
She said waiting. Eh?
Come and see. You will not bend down to wear shoes or slippers. That because of the, they put
the lens.
They remove the natural lens.
And then
put that picture so that for the thing to hold.
Are you serious, Mommy?
I noticed that.
All these do's and don'ts.
I noticed that. If you see how clearly I'm seeing with this eye.
With this eye now. Do you mean it? So the natural lens was gone.
The cataract.
The cataract.
Yeah, the cataract spoiled it.
Oh dear.
Yeah, cataract spoiled it.
Oh my God, Mom.
So this one now.
Hey, oh Diego.
Since 4 o'clock, put one 4 p.m. 15 minutes later, put the second one. 6 p.m. 15 minutes later, the second one.
Hi. 8 p.m.
15 minutes later.
Jesus.
10 p.m. 15 minutes later, the second one. Then tomorrow. They are so same.
Chimo.
So, that's their bag.
Momsy. Oh
that's
my God.
That's
wow. It's a serious something. Momsy, no driving, no reading, no watching. So what will you be doing with yourself?
I don't know.
You will just sit down and be like this.
I don't know for them. I don't know for them.
Oh, goodness.
No reading. That's all I do. That's all I do in the office. Read.
No reading, no driving, no watching TV.
No watching TV.
What are you going to do with your life for the next 2 weeks? When I came in and I saw you with that goggles, I was just like...
That's like Ray Charles goggles.
I'm going to tell you that, Mommy, you're looking like Ray Charles or Stevie Wonder.
I will not wear this one and enter church on Sunday. The one like... The Mrs. Kuma will not see me but I'm going laughing. I always
tell you, Mommy, when I came in, you're looking like Ray Charles or Stevie Wonder. Hey! But how was the surgery? So you didn't feel a thing. Laser surgery, so you didn't feel a thing.
That is okay for air.
The air.
They will cut your eye and remove the thing before laser.
Oh my God.
They tell you they'll give you one room that you sit down on the bed. Then the person that came with you will sit down on the chair. After some time they will call you. You will pay. When you pay, they put this stick on you. You go back into the room. But you are not the only one. If you see how many people
are dealing with, oh my God, dealing with eye issues. Hey.
See how many people at this surgery today. Checked my BP. Asked me certain questions. Are you diabetic? Are you hypertensive? Eye drop. I'm going to put eye drop. Then you will lie down for 1 hour. After 1 hour, she put the eye down.
So your eyes will be closed for 1 hour?
Remain closed until she comes for me.
Hey, Jesus.
Come with me. Remove all the metals on your body.
Yeah,
remove
laser.
all the metals on your body, your earrings, your rings, remove all the metals. Remove your slippers. And then wear theater gown for me and the theater cap. Wait for me.
Oh wow.
The theater cap and then the theater stockings. They put eye drop. Put eye drop. They cleaned. You know, at every point they'll be asking you, we're operating the right eye. You say, why yes. For us outside, we'll just be hearing the sound of the laser.
Of the laser.
That's just what you
No pain, nothing.
Oh my god.
Hi guys. So this is many days after the last clip you saw. Just a little bit of an update on my mom. She's doing great. Okay, I'm sure some of you are concerned. She did have cataract on her right eye. Yeah, on her right eye she had cataract. It had to be treated. They had to operate on her eye, do laser surgery, you know, remove the natural lens and then put an artificial one. And me looking at her, like the eye that was operated on is so much more clearer. Like even when you're looking at her, the eye is clearer, and she says that she's seeing so well with that eye. You know, prior to that she noticed that all of a sudden that eye became blurry. Like if she closes her left eye and is just seeing with her right eye, it's blurry. So she had to go in for a checkup, and then they diagnosed cataract, so she had to get that surgery done ASAP. Yeah, but she's fine guys, she's doing great. I know some of you would have definitely been worried, you know, seeing the title of the video and you know all of that, but she's doing well. Yeah, so she has been staying off a lot of things, you know, watching TV. She barely watches TV, you know. Even when she's handling her phone, she just scrolls through her phone very sparingly because she cannot, you know, be on the phone, you know, the light from the phone and all of that. And she's still wearing her dark goggles. So when I went into the house that evening and I saw her with that dark goggles there, I didn't know when I burst into laughter. It was just reflex for me. But she's fine, she's great, she's her normal self, she's doing good. And yeah, just thought to come and give you guys small updates, just chinkily updates there. Yeah guys, so that will be it for this vlog. I don't think there's anything else I want to show you guys in this particular vlogs. There are more vlogs coming up, so stay tuned for them. And yeah, we still have a few more slots for a day with Alma and Ngur. Just in case you are yet to get your slot, we are slowly running out. In fact, this week that just went by now, almost all the slots are gone. Like either people are paying or people are sponsoring the slots for like giveaways. And I did do a giveaway on my Instagram a few days ago. I announced winners today, but I will be also giving away slots on YouTube at some point, so look out for that. But if you want to secure your slots, just pay for a slot and you know you're good to go. We have very few slots left. Okay, very few. We're about to be sold out, so that's awesome. But anyway guys, that's all I have for you guys in today's vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comments section down below. As always, subscribe, share, thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.